Hello children, we are on lesson 4 moral science, class 3, that is faith. Now children, what do you understand by faith? Faith means a strong belief or trust also we can say. So let us begin the lesson. Be strong and of good courage, do not be afraid, for the Lord is always with you. This is written in Bible. It means we should be always strong and courageous and we should not fear because God is always with us. Faith means trust and confidence in someone we love. When we love a person, we have full faith, trust and confidence in that person. It may be our parents, it may be our brothers and sisters, it may be our friends, it may be our teachers. So, as a children, we have complete trust and confidence in our parents' love for us. Yes or no, children? We have complete trust and confidence in our parents' love for us. We are very confident about it and we trust them. We know they are always there for us. We feel safe in their company. Yes, it is very true. They are always there for us and we feel very safe. When you feel afraid, you know your father will hold your hand and all your fears will go away. When you feel very afraid, just hold hand of your father. You will feel so strong, so courageous. All of your fear will go away immediately. When you are not well, mother will look after you with love and care. Mother looks after us when we are not well with all love and care. So here is a story of a little boy who grew up in the hills and played in the forest nearby. Let us hear the story. One day a group of scientists came to his village. They saw some rare beautiful flowers growing deep down the hill. They could reach the flower only if someone could go down by the means of rope. So a group of scientists one day came to a village. They saw a rare beautiful flower going deep down the hill, but they could not reach there unless until someone go down by the means of a rope. They looked at the little boy and said, "We will give you a lot of money if you let us lower you down to get those beautiful flowers for us." The group of scientists said to the little boy, we will give you a lot of money if you bring that flower for us. Now what was the answer given by the little boy? The little boy said, "I will be back in a minute. Wait for me." The little boy said, "I will be back. Just wait for me." He came back and there was a grown-up man with him. He came back and along with him a grown-up man was also there. The little boy told the scientist, "I will go down the hill and get those flowers for you, only if this man holds the rope. He is my father." So what did the little boy say to the scientists? "I will go down the hill and get those flowers for you, only if this man holds the rope, because he is my father. So I have full trust and confidence in him." The boy did not know the scientist. They were strangers. He could not trust them. He knew his father loved him and he knew he was safe in his father's hand. The boy was unknown to the scientist. He don't know the scientist very well. They were strangers for him, but he knows his father very well. He knew his father's love for him so that he can trust him. And he knows he is in a safe hand. If his father holds that rope, then he is in safe hand. That much trust and faith we have when we love a person. In the same way, we must have complete faith and trust in God. It is very true. As that child is having so much faith and trust in his father, similarly in that same way we should have all faith and trust in God. He is like your father, is always there for us. He is within us and when we need him. God is always with us and within us whenever we need him. So today's thought of the day is that have complete faith and trust in God. He will always be there for you like a loving parent. So when we are having full trust and faith in God, He will always be there for us as a loving parent.